Yo, so let's talk about love it or hate it, all right? The new content, the new format of the channel. A lot of people love it, a lot of people don't like it, all right? What does that mean for Fred? It don't mean shit to me, to be honest. I'll be honest. I feel that my content has no competition, and that's just me, the way I think as an artist. You feel me? If I don't think the best of my work, who is gonna think the best of my work, right? There's a lot of content that I've actually put out and deleted because I was so much of a critic on myself that I didn't think it was good enough, right? Which a lot of people would have probably thought that, damn, bro, that was a banger. And I put out some videos that are really good in my eyes that flop, right? So I don't get caught up in the whole algorithm, gotta do shit for the clout, right? I just stay in my own lane, and my content and my quality of content speaks for itself, all right? Now, again, with the switch of my content, a lot of people don't like it because I'm not showing females, I'm not going to bars and clubs every night, right? They don't understand the lifestyle change and that I'm married, right? So the people who don't like my content, they have unsubscribed, right? Of course, my numbers have dropped because my content has switched, but it is what it is, bro. I'm still gonna keep pushing out this content. And when I mean my content is high quality than most people, I'm not talking about the image quality, I'm talking about the actual content itself, right? So what does this mean for the guys that don't like my channel? If you don't like the content I'm posting, you can simply leave, right? Style content, you know, showing girls on the beach, showing the cakes, drinking with girls every day, going out to the clubs every night, going out to the bars. Even though I can't do that type of stuff, I still try to do my best to create the best way I can create while at the same time respecting my wife. You know what I'm saying? And I thought the whole mission behind this whole deal of guys getting a passport, going overseas, was to find peace, happiness, and maybe even a potential wife, right? Not everybody wants to get married, but maybe even a potential wife. But a lot of guys move the goalpost with every damn thing and try to move shit around to fit their narrative. But anyways, I'm thirsty, bruh. Hey man, look how sketchy this little bridge is to get across to the beach. I ain't gonna lie. I'm kinda iffy about going across this shit. But anyways, man, next thing I want to talk to y'all about is there a lot of guys that hit me up that want to make YouTube videos. They want to get into the whole YouTube content creation. I would honestly say the best thing you can do, the best advice I can give you, is tune out the people who talk shit. You gotta go thick skin. And the second thing would be to get started as soon as possible, right? Pick a camera, any camera. It really don't even matter what camera you get, right? Of course you want the best quality content that you could possibly get, right? But that is gonna come with expenses, all right? You're gonna spend some money, right? This camera itself was about $2,600. The lens was about $700, right? And you need a tripod, right? It's not easy to find somebody to film with you. My girl is not, she's supportive of it, but I don't force her to come with me. I'm by myself, right? So you need to get a tripod. But the biggest thing is just to get started, pick a camera and get going and not worry about the shit that people say, right? So let's get across this damn bridge right here so I can go get me something to drink. All right, now it's time to get some good quality H2O. H2O. Sete cartão, amigo? Yes, sir. Canudo? É. Obrigado. They robbed me with this water. This shit hot. All right, so man, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this agua de coco. And enjoy this sun, enjoy this beach, enjoy this good energy, and enjoy this beautiful day. Hope you guys appreciated this video. Hope you guys learned something. Hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. All right, let's get these subscribers going, man. All right, so that's pretty much it. We'll catch you guys in the next video.